ISTE Tamilnadu sections joins welcoming you all to the first ISTE annual convention for the MBA, MCA, Pharmacy and Architecture students. I am really happy. Actually, my chairman has dreamed for a very long time. Today, the dream has come true. Because we want to involve the ISTE activities along with all the professional members in Tamilnadu. But some way or other way we concentrated on the engineering students and the polytechnic students, because we come from the background of engineering and automatically polytechnic also we taken. But some way we missed it because the strength at the earlier time was very less compared to today. So that may be a reason for not involving the other professionals like MBA, MCA, Pharmacy and Architecture. So today we want to have a separate convention so that we will make it, they also involved in the ISTE activities. You know that ISTE started very long back in 1967 for the benefit of the professional students from engineering colleges and other streams. So that way onwards, a lot of programs we developed and we involved with all the students and the faculty members for the development of professionals in India. So particularly we concentrated on engineering and polytechnic. Now we want to have a separate convention to involve the other people also in the ISTE activities. So ISTE is doing a lot of activities for the development of the professionals. Every year we conduct the conventions at a different forum, national level as well as the sectional level. Sectional level really we have the states Tamilnadu and Pondicherry, but now we have Tamilnadu. The Tamilnadu is the highest member in the ISTE. Throughout India we have around 4 lakh student members and 1 lakh members. So in that one, we want to grow the activities and by involving more number of students from different streams. That's why we started the convention and we finally come to the first convention. Then every year the convention will be going to take place. In the convention normally we give the awards who are doing best in their activities, either academic activities or extracurricular activities, or the professors who are doing the extraordinary work for the benefit of the students. So we give the awards to the student members as well as the faculty members. So I think this time onwards you can visit the ISTE website and come to know what are the activities which are taking place in the ISTE, particularly in Tamil Nadu, and you take participate and get benefit out of that. So with this note, I thank the section management for organizing the first ISTE convention for your students. Thank you.